Hey man, what's the word? I'm back with another video, man. Today we're gonna go ahead and go to a little Mopar car meet. So y'all see I got the Challenger thing, got all green on the twisted Armani 4G, you feel me? We're gonna slide down here and see what gang I'm on. Who the hell is that? I see this motherfucker ride for sure. Yo.
What's going on?
Mom, I'm recording.
Yo.
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 I heard you, come on. You messing up my video.
Hell you got going on?
Finna go to that car meet.
Hell yeah, same shit.
I bet I'm gonna see you up there, fool.
Alright.
I see that boy, he got that damn dually. He's on the trailer. Always acting up. Who the hell is that damn? That's recess. This country ass nigga. Yo.
Yo.
Nobody gotta get gas, 'cause I ain't stopping. Gotta get gas. Shoulda knew it. Y'all see the fit, look at Amiri bust down, YG Fazo's on. Something light, something light. Yo.
Oh shit.
What's up, gang?
Fuck going on, nigga?
Shit cool. Hey, as a matter of fact, I got that what you call it shit from you earlier too,
All that work from Bud ass?
Hell yeah, when you had text my ass, hell yeah.
Oh hell yeah, we might as well do that after the little meet.
Yeah, I got you. Shout out to let you know I had that shit on me. I forgot till I got down and looked at my glove box.
Alright, bet let me fill this motherfucker up real quick.
Alright.
Them boys got that lime green shit out. Okay. Y'all done got that lime green shit out.
Yeah, you see what the fuck going on.
Niggas cannot run out of gas.
But what?
Hey, fuck around. That nigga had the way his ass be driving, nigga run out of gas.
I'm finna get in the pit and go crazy.
Let me see how much I got in this motherfucker.
Yo, I got some joints to come up that with.
You say what, fool?
Yo, I got some joints to go up that with.
Y'all see us back to back whips.
I meet
We
y'all
cost
niggas
money.
up there.
Look at that nigga.
Alright, that's a bet.
Alright.
He don't even know how to drive that motherfucker. Hey, where that shit at? You got the location to that shit?
fool.
Alright, bet.
611.
He say 611. I'm gonna follow his ass. I'm finna buy me another truck. Yeah, probably a trailer. Taxi for that shit. I'm gonna grab me something though for sure. What type of truck I want. All types of slow. Wrong side of the road, huh? No, you go out there and shut the door. Go out there and shut the door and way out. Fucking stupid reset. We still got left. Mark, shut my door. Oh! Y'all see this motherfucker slide. Act up. Y'all know I'm pro racing cool. They got this shit at the pier. Okay. Hope there's some shit up there. They want 20 bands to enter this motherfucker. That shit crazy. Get your old ass out the way, nigga. Man, what the hell? They blocking the street off and shit. Y'all gonna get y'all a little pay? sure.
Like a motherfucker.
Yo,
Yo.
what up, gang?
What's the word, fool? How much it is?
20K. See how y'all ain't complaining about that? These niggas come 20K.
They coming here crying about 20?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. I know Reese sliding. I'm finna give you Reese shit too.
You said what?
That's for Reese. That's for Reese when he come in.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Y'all go ahead
Man, shit out here. Nothing too major. Just a little cut up. Nothing too major. Think I'm gonna leave my little fog zone and shit. Scoop my ass so we can get out on the passenger side. Yeah, man, y'all see what the fuck going on. 2021. You feel me? Got the demon hood. 4G. Stop playing with me, cuz. I do this shit. I cut up clean.
Got a red eye.
We got a little
No
track
hood.
hawk. This motherfucker probably slow.
Got that
No
tracky.
tune up.
Okay. With the chrome rims.
Ooh,
Chrome my
this
money
is-
forward.
This motherfucker wide body Hellcat carbon. This motherfucker clean.
This my head. This used to be
Wee.
my Hellcat, man. I didn't want that and dropped it off. Hell no.
Motherfucker nice. We got another tracky.
You doing pretty good.
Man, these niggas. Always want to
Yeah,
grab the
that
fucking
track
track
hawk.
hawks. Yeah, my boy got that new
Chrome
track.
money forward.
That's that new thing.
That
You
Reese
say
right there.
2022?
Yeah, man, you know what the fuck going custom shit.
It's
Niggas
that
ain't even
new
got one of
thing.
these
Niggas ain't
shit
even
yet.
got one of them shits, man.
Man, custom shit.
Real track, huh?
Hell yeah. Okay, niggas got this shit running with their little lights on. I ain't gonna. I'm put my bitch back in the shop, man. I gotta get some lights and shit on my shit, cuz.
It
You
might
already
as
know who to
well,
come
shit.
to,
Yeah, I
nigga.
gotta get some RGBs for sure.
Same way I did.
Look,
Same
and
way I
then
helped
buy a
you.
little
Same
regular
way I did
tracky.
that damn demon. I do your shit, nigga.
Alright, that's a bet. Say less.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Say less.
See what these niggas on. Y'all see just a little light, little Mopar meat, nothing too crazy.
That's 30,000. That's all they can afford.
30,000.
Yo,
Nothing but a V6 charger.
What up, y'all?
Yo.
What up?
6 up here.
I'm telling them that's why these niggas complain about 20K. Cause that's what they got.
Oh damn, hell yeah.
You
Niggas
said they
ain't
complain
having
about
shit for real.
20K?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
about 20K,
Niggas be broke. That's how it be.
Yeah,
I
that
told
is
them
wild.
yesterday they gotta stay here to sell their cars.
Niggas wild, dawg.
Get them some
20.
money.
20 bands? Sheesh.
Shit, that's changed.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
trying to tell you.
20,000 just a port.
Niggas
do
got
you
that
got
in
it or not?
droves.
Bro, what?
Shit, I bet ain't none of y'all niggas know how to spin it. Spin though.
Yeah, you know these little niggas.
Y'all
don't know
niggas
how
got
to
all
spin.
these Mopars out here who don't know how to spin.
They don't know how to throw nothing in the pit for real.
Hell no.
Hey, well, y'all, what I'm saying though, with a little pit in this motherfucker though, we gotta have a pit.
Niggas don't know.
That nigga dollar quiet as hell. Damn, you ain't them niggas cause was gonna wanna spin.
Well,
Man, we at Mopar, but we over 700 horse. But you better be over 700 horsepower.
Shit, we might as well take it to the middle of the street. Shit, block the road off.
Yeah, don't matter. Shit, I'm trying to spin some shit.
Shit, I'm trying to see what else finna pull through this
You
bitch.
know I'm trying to cut up.
Yeah.
we must be the only ones with Mopars here. I don't see no Mopar in that.
Nah,
it's
it's
some
some
more
more
niggas. It's
Mopars
some
in
more
the
niggas
city,
coming
for sure.
in. It look like 2 niggas on Grove with gold chargers and shit.
Alright.
Niggas came through spinning and shit. They should be here in a minute.
Yeah, niggas had to. I guess they had to get some gas in their shit or something. I don't know.
Oh, they had to
you
find.
know.
They had to borrow 20K.
Shit,
Alright.
niggas had their shit on Twitter all week. They should have been ready.
Facts. Discord too.
Yeah, man, niggas be
Yeah.
crazy.
Hell, y'all nigga been doing.
Heard my brother was in the city.
God damn.
Yeah, he pulled me over.
Man, y'all ain't trying to shoot no little dice or nothing though, nigga.
Oh, I'm down. Whatever y'all trying to do.
So we can get the little 50Ks pop.
Hold on,
If that ain't too much.
I'm pull my shit off the trailer real quick.
Alright.
Problems to where they can't pay their bills or nothing. You feel me?
Damn.
We ain't got no bills over here. Everything cash over here.
I paid for it. I hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pay in full over here.
I wasn't even gonna respond. He couldn't have been talking to me. So y'all about to shoot something?
Shit, whenever y'all get done shooting, man, I'm trying to spin, man. Niggas act like y'all scared of these cars. I understand y'all niggas who got y'all track house. I understand y'all might not have enough power to goddamn with y'all all-wheel drive. But you know, my shit tuned up days. So you know, I got power in my all-wheel drive. I can explain that bitch all day.
Them track hawks is nigga about 500 horses.
Nah, gay. Them shits at least about 7. Well, nah, he probably only lost about 30 horsepower with the rims on that motherfucker.
They don't know how to drive that motherfucker for real.
This nigga snipes. Look at this nigga.
Let me go cut up with gang. Hold on.
That bitch stupid though.
Finna get over here and cut up with you guys. Oh, this motherfucker ain't unlocking, goddamn. There you go.
God
Here they
damn,
come. Here they come.
Oh,
Damn!
Come on.
He just got his little ass cracked. Let me get my shit out the way. They little ass flying. And why he just hit Buddy like that?
That nigga didn't control that bitch. Nigga didn't know how his brakes was.
He got them fat ass
You know,
rims
these
on
niggas try to come in here and act a fool and end up hitting somebody.
Yeah, that boy got 30s on the cat.
Bruh, that shit got air suspension. Oh, hell no.
Let them pay so we can go out there and cut up.
Shit, one at a time, not 3.
Man, 4 at a time.
Shit, we can still do that. Just need to have the best drivers out there. Fuck that.
I don't know if it's 20 or call.
Boy, y'all have been in them corners, boy. Y'all sure y'all know how to drive these motherfuckers?
Man, don't have me whip this motherfucker right here.
Daughter, they said they finna bring some more
man,
calls.
we
It's
gonna
20 or
see.
call right here. Get that 40, dog.
I'm finna call another one.
Get that 40.
Y'all niggas talking about we finna go in the street and you feel me, fuck the street up.
That's
We
good.
can do that.
I hope y'all niggas know how to swing these motherfuckers.
For
Come
sure,
on now, my
nigga.
nigga. Don't try me like
Y'all bringing
that.
some
Oh, mamas.
We
Hey,
gonna see.
Nah, I
I'm
got
probably
this
bringing
shot
one
right here.
more.
We don't want to see nobody fenders on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna. If y'all,
Yeah, that
y'all
is,
just
fat
bring
boy.
it one more. I ain't gonna.
Hey, that was somebody else trying to get in.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Don't
man.
hit nobody, nigga. Okay. Let me get my ass out the way. Go ahead.
He said fat boy.
Who the fuck this is? Fat boy?
Nah, this Dre. Fat boy, his purple demon. He just left from up here.
Watch out, coach. He ain't got no bars. I told him swing it around the pole. He's
Let me
struggling.
get back in my shit. Hold on.
He's struggling.
Oh, you hear my shit, nigga?
Nah, nah.
He tapped that motherfucker for sure.
Yeah, I did tap that
That
motherfucker.
nigga tap my shit a little.
Hey, show these niggas how to swing around the pole.
I do this shit. Just slide. Cut up for sure. Oh, this nigga done tapped the pole. Oh shit. This country ass nigga done tapped the pole.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Yeah, you know we gotta take that to the shop.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
nigga
you
knocked
can't.
the pole
I
down.
I'm
gotta-
spinning that motherfucker though
I got a
behind you though,
repair kit on
fool.
me. You
You
straight?
definitely was sliding that bitch.
Go to
Yeah,
park that
yeah.
motherfucker up real quick.
Yeah, they pulled up with some shit though. Okay.
That nigga shit spinning.
They put them charges out. Go ahead, let me see what you can do.
I'm finna go around this pole over here.
He finna fuck his shit up. He finna fuck something up. He don't know what he doing. Oh, don't hit the trailer. Them big ass rims.
I got on that motherfucker, and then I got the back
Boy.
suspension done.
That
I got
shit
the back
spinning.
suspension done to where that shit drift a little bit. Yeah, hell yeah.
Look at
Yeah, that
these.
shit, it's still 4-wheel drive, but I got a little goddamn drift kit put in that motherfucker a little bit. That motherfucker goddamn can slide.
These niggas should kill somebody, cuz.
That
Boom!
nigga-
Look!
Damn!
Oh,
Oh shit!
that nigga hit that nigga head on that motherfucker.
I knew it, cuz. I knew they was gonna crash. Well, y'all ass crazy.
That nigga said he go still spin after he just smacked that
You
nigga ass.
flashing the lights at the, oh, don't hit me, cuz. Oh, they finna crash again. Damn, he done smacked your shit
Fuck
up.
that shit, no cap.
That man smacked your
I
shit,
damn
bro.
near hit this shit though. I ain't gonna lie, nah, I damn near hit this shit.
Yeah, that nigga had the fuck on.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Hold on, nigga.
Yeah, I need to exchange insurance companies or something.
Niggas got it. We ain't tripping off of that shit.
Nigga
Niggas better go ahead and hit that road.
Well, y'all ass a fool.
That nigga said that light ass tap.
So
I ain't
what
even
we stand
tripping.
up here, we finna ride out, what we doing?
Oh man, I'm trying to hit
Yeah,
the
I try-
road.
oh,
See
hell
who really can
yeah.
drive, nigga. Get up.
Let me see what the fuck they trying to do. What y'all trying to,
About
we
10
trying,
minutes.
y'all trying to
Yeah,
hit the
we
road?
doing shit, we
What's the
hitting the
word? What's the
road.
word?
Cruising
Shit,
around the
so,
city,
yeah.
hitting the road, doing some shit.
Anybody live?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Never mind. I'll wait.
Hey, I'm about to say, I
But
hear
yeah, we
something.
can.
But
God
this bitch
damn.
is
Shit,
all
oh
smacked
shit.
up.
Oh, that nigga came with a busted
Damn,
up.
yo,
Oh,
busted up
damn.
at, you need to take this shit to the shop, fool.
That nigga came with some busted up shit.
Hey, Snatch, let me talk to you real quick.
Alright.
That boy crazy. This how they pull up to the meet.
This your shit, bro?
Yeah, bro, comments that somebody stole his car.
No, damn.
I know one of you niggas got some gas.
Hell no, that shit at the crib.
Damn.
So I popped out today to chill.
What you need, gang?
Nigga need some guys, ready?
Man, these niggas need to come on. I'm trying to get on these streets.
What's up with it? Yep, good looking, fool.
Let's go.
My nigga getting loaded.
Yo.
We good, fool.
So what these niggas on? We finna
Trying to see right now when Snipes come back.
You finna hit that freeway?
About to see right now, trying to see.
About to say, niggas scared to skate on that freeway.
We finna
Nah,
see
I'm
who really
skating
got
for
wheels.
sure.
I'm trying to see niggas cut through traffic for real.
Yeah,
Let me
I'm
smoke
skating
this
for sure,
lead,
for
you
sure.
feel me?
What you
You
trying,
gonna
dog?
see?
You scared? You scared of that
Appreciate it,
motherfucker?
man.
Nah, gang.
Hold up, ready?
Shit, you know I ain't scared.
Eating
I'm
right.
trying to smash on that
I'm
motherfucker.
high. I'm finna,
Got the munchies right now.
finna
Yeah,
float
for
this
sure.
motherfucker.
Having food in the car. You know, eat that right quick.
Hey, shit, everybody have y'all insurance on speed dial. Y'all hit that motherfucking Challenger. No cap.
Yeah, who
Cash or
shit that
something.
is with the wrap on it over there?
Who shit?
That olive green and orange shit with the big ass wrap on the side.
Oh,
Big
that's
ass cat.
I think they said Fat Boy came in with that one.
Nah, that's
Nah,
that's Drake.
that ain't Fat Boy.
Oh, that's Dre shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Shit, what's the word? What we doing?
Shit, we can roll out. Roll out, do it up through the freeway or some shit. Do some rolls.
See them getting ready.
It's up to y'all niggas. Unless y'all just want
Yeah,
to sit at the pier all day and just watch the Ferris wheel go
That's
around.
high ass shit.
Who this?
Who the fuck?
That nigga
Yo.
put 40s on this motherfucker.
And then you got
Kinda-
the Eagles
What
jersey.
the
Cuz, what the fuck?
hell?
That's
Shut my
hand
door.
Yeah, what's going on, gang?
Gotta be about this.
Why the hell you put 40s on that motherfucker?
Yeah, you don't fuck with it?
Not on the
I
40s.
mean, they're
gang,
not really
hell.
40s. They're
not
like
a
32,
40.
gang.
Take that
Ain't gonna lie
Eagle
to
Oh,
you.
they like
Yo,
32s.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. I ain't gonna hold it. Shit, you can ride with us, but shit, you gonna be behind us. You gonna get left. You motherfuckers on 32s.
Why?
I be floating this whole, bro.
Oh,
feel
okay.
good?
You
So
be
say
floating
less.
and
Say
shit.
less then. Say less.
wrong?
We gonna hook you
We
up
about
to
to
it.
test your skills. We about to see.
What you need me to do, though?
Hey, just don't do no sharp turn, motherfucker. Flip now.
Hell yeah. Oh shit.
Hey, we ain't taking nobody to the hospital.
Yeah,
Hell
it's 20
no.
band to get in this hole, bro.
I
Yo,
hope you can make that.
see how you ain't
motherfucker.
complaining about that?
Hell no.
Man, these niggas,
What's going on? We hitting that freeway?
Let's
Yeah,
do it.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can.
Alright. Just let me
Gotta
know
get
we
up out
taking
of
By the
off.
gas
Be
station,
gassed
hold
up.
up.
Oh yeah, hold
Go get
on.
some.
Yeah, let me check because I had my shit on the trailer the whole time. Please say I got gas.
Hey, stop yelling. We finna see who
Oh, I
got
got
wheel
half a
for
tank.
sure.
Okay.
On me, all that spinning, I'm on half.
Oh, you see nigga
Look
put
at
the big
that,
runs on
look
that
at
car?
that nigga from Benny's. No, not his. Not his. I'm talking about them other niggas out there.
Oh yeah, the other
shit.
niggas. Hell yeah.
This
Look at
shit
that
did
nigga.
a
Goddamn.
wheelie. What the
Goddamn.
fuck?
I was
Hell
nigga
yeah.
Willie in that motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Hey, hold on. Pop the hood. What you got under this motherfucker?
God, what the fuck? Got a parachute in the trunk?
Pop
nigga?
the hood.
Huh? Hold on.
Smash.
Let me see how you living, fool.
Yeah.
He got.
Not too much, just a little something.
Shit.
Oh, it's a elephant motherfucker. That's why. Okay.
This shit
Elephant
doing
mode in that
wheelies and
motherfucker.
all. Cutting up.
Willie with no shoe.
Yeah, we gonna see if you got wheel though.
Oh yeah.
So what,
Yeah,
we
that
in
boy
the
got the
gas
hell-
station first or
That
what?
boy got shit. It don't matter. We can hit the gas
Yo,
station.
$8
That boy
right,
got that
so I
scat
can
with
get
the
one.
Hellcat motor in it. That's a sleeper
Yeah, you
for
can bring
real.
many cars you want. It's just a one-time fee.
Shit, everybody to the gas station. Y'all see what the fuck going on. Back to back Mopar. You hear me? Oh, he cutting up. Okay, hold on.
Why the
Hold
hell
on.
my head like?
Let me get out here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right, so.
Where the hell these niggas going?
Shit, I don't know. Put on Twitter what gas station we going to.
Alright. What that gas station is down there? 602, I think. hold on. Yeah.
Y'all see that little bit of my shit, Damn.
I fucking knew it.
The fuck?
I fucking knew it.
They got explosions going on around this motherfucker. We fill up. Fill up the tank. Y'all see that shit pulling up. Y'all see us out here deep. Eat me a little bread and drink a little water. Niggas don't need to be passing out here. Uh-oh, I heard something. Who this?
Yeah, so niggas, what up though? How you doing?
Who I think it is.
You see me?
That on top. Yeah, I see you.
Mm-hmm. Now this
feet on your shit.
Oh, nigga, you see me?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Shit, Reese said you about to kill yourself at first.
First off, he caught me at a bad moment. He just caught me, you know what I'm saying, pushing on the brake, you know, the pad a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Nah, I heard your ass don't know how to drive.
No, I know how to drive. What you trying to bet on it?
Oh, yeah, you know you can't outdrive me.
Yeah, I'm about to say, what you trying to bet on?
I don't know, Lee.
Snipes, let them know.
You talking my language.
Let them know what I put under this bitch today.
What
and what I already had up under this bitch.
She spent some money on this motherfucker.
What I want to bet ain't no money.
Oh, okay.
You feel me?
Well, say less.
Yeah, I ain't got to do too much talking.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure your tank on full.
It is, nigga.
All right.
You just see me.
All right.
That motherfucker look good.
Shit, y'all niggas ready?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we ready.
All right, shit, come on, we go. Somebody finna fuck this shit up, cuz I already know it. I just gotta take it, cuz. I gotta live. This shit getting up. Hold on, slow down. Turn my shit up. Oh, just crashed. Oh! Oh, hell no, cuz. He ain't never just smacked my shit and kept. Alright. Oh. Alright. I need to clear insurance reset. He ain't never just smacked my shit and keep doing it. But yes, I don't know. East of 177. What the fuck that's at? I don't even know what the hell that's at. There's the ones over here. I don't see no gas station. Damn. Smack my whip. Y'all see this one with the car beats, cuz this is wild. Cars get fucked up. Just gonna say they ain't doing too hard. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, my boy. I need your insurance.
That
No cap.
ain't broke in yet, gang.
I need your insurance. No cap.
No,
me?
he hit you, my
Whoever
boy.
was in a
He
white
hit you?
Charger, smack my shit, cuz.
Oh, no, that wasn't me.
Oh, there's
From the
multiple
back.
white charges now. Hold
Sad,
on.
nigga. I need my insurance. Niggas finna get the tripping.
I
said ain't nowhere near white.
Yeah, my shit white.
Shit,
but
it's out of
that
one of
black
these
one.
two right
Try
here.
me.
Now, which one of y'all hit,
They
gang?
know they tapped the
one?
back of my shit.
Which one of y'all hit, gang?
It
Yeah,
wasn't me.
hit him. Oh!
Damn.
It's on my
If I
little
was in
dash
white
camera. I don't
Charger,
want to have to
Oh,
put
it's
a
another
little
one right
footage
there,
back.
gang. It's another white right there,
It might
gang.
be him. Hold on. Hey, my boy.
Damn.
Bitch just hit my shit.
Hey,
I know niggas seen that.
I'm gonna need my little insurance from you, my boy.
Fuck you mean?
You smacked my shit up in the back?
Fuck no, nigga. I just got here, nigga.
No, this happened when we was on the highway, cuz.
Nigga, I ain't even pull off with y'all. I just got here.
See, damn, man. Niggas can't get no insurance. All
Y'all
three
got the
white
wrong
charges,
nigga.
cuz.
Man, Lee, bro, you straight, bro. I got to
Y'all got the wrong nigga, boy.
That
No
shit
cap.
crazy.
You know I got you, bro. Fuck it.
I thought everybody out here got money. That's all. Good looking, gang.
Yeah, no problem, bro. It's straight.
That bitch right there hard.
You ready to get this
Come on,
shit
you
smoked?
country ass nigga. If you don't
Said
go
what?
pull up to the
Oh,
party,
what's
that
going
shit
on,
smoke
CEO?
into your shit.
Hey,
Said
you got
what?
going on?
You ready to get your shit smoked?
This shit clean,
Yeah.
though. Y'all see what the
Clean
fuck
as
going
hell.
on.
He took my guess.
We
Hey,
fixing
when
that
niggas
shit.
hitting the freeway?
I need my shit like this.
We were just on the freeway.
Niggas gonna smack my shit up and act like they ain't hit my shit.
You niggas took off. We was still at the gas
Fuck.
station.
Damn.
I ain't gonna lie, one of you niggas finesse for sure though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all played that off clean.
Let me get my shit right.
Throw that shit off me smooth, huh?
Damn.
No, he just said it was somebody in a white.
He just said it was somebody in a white one. And niggas pulled up when they claiming they ain't did it. That was it.
That's what I'm saying. They played that shit off smooth.
Damn, that's some bullshit, cuz.
Shit, let me know when
Nah,
niggas hitting the
niggas
freeway.
ain't play it off,
Alright.
nigga. It was
Yeah, we
only
finna
3
hit the
niggas
freeway
with
in a
white
second.
charges, nigga. I told everybody with a white charger, nigga. Don't feel no type of
Shit,
way.
if y'all want that shit, we can hit the freeway all
Nah,
the
I'm
way
saying
up
you
to,
can't call me though, nigga. I'm at the gas station while y'all on the freeway.
Shit, if y'all want to, we can hit this Palomino freeway all the way up to 402.
Come on, we can slide.
Hold up, let me mark that shit, man.
You said a 402?
Yeah, 402. That gas station up there.
So, hey, hold on.
If you don't know where that's at, go for
We gotta find a
403.
little spot. And,
Find
Oh, yeah,
find
I see that.
403 and then go up.
we gotta find a spot and take a little
Shit, let me
picture.
just hop in somebody's car so I can do all that shit.
Motherfucker is tucked off.
Y'all heard me, fool?
Yo, what?
We need to find a little spot so we can get a little picture.
Okay.
Feel me? Everybody flick up. If your shit beat up, make sure you park in the back. No cap.
I ain't gonna lie, I was getting so dirty in traffic.
Oh, I see
Man,
four.
I
I don't
was
see
getting
no
nasty.
four
Somebody
too.
smacked my shit. I'm like,
Niggas ain't
damn.
got beef.
Niggas ain't got no shacks.
Niggas
We said who getting caught in a police chase.
Man.
Oh, that bitch out the way. I see it.
Yeah, it's up on the highway.
Hey, yeah.
Man, where Red at talking about she not a drive?
That what I'm trying to make
She
sure.
ain't made it
I'm
yet.
making sure we don't leave nobody.
It's
She
like
ain't made
four
it here
little
yet.
people coming from the
Shit.
pier.
Oh, alright,
We gotta wait,
bet.
cuz. Damn, they
Yeah,
slow
we'll wait.
driving ass.
They probably
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to wait, see, and make sure everybody here before we just take off.
She talking about she not a drive. She.
Just an old
She said she on her way. Yeah, she definitely wrecked. She definitely wrecked.
She should have had Brad drive.
Hey, CEO.
What's good?
This motherfucker look nice.
I hope it run nice.
Or runner.
Alright, we gonna see.
Hope it ain't just lights and colors.
Hey,
Oh.
tight stickers and shit.
Yeah.
That shit, boy.
They trying to fire that nigga shit up.
That nigga said they thought you had the wheel. Might as well get in the car with me.
For real. She
That
gonna
nigga
kill
said you might as
herself
well
out
be a
here.
passenger.
I don't want her to kill herself. He got that NUKEM in the air.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I think I sparked that shit up.
I smell it.
Oh yeah, did they get it right here?
Okay.
He said, oh yeah, did that dead right here. Hell yeah. Man.
Say Tuka in my lungs. I say that every time because he got smoke.
This shit finna see how let's see how many niggas get up to 4.
But weird. Now who just said that dumb shit?
Oh, who the hell just said
Niggas
this
will fire
shit?
on you cuz on set. Yeah, niggas ain't gonna speak up though. Fuck 63rd, nigga.
I don't care about none of that beef.
Yeah, alright, nigga, don't be woofing, cuz. I have to lay you down up here, nigga. On who? Oh, alright.
Said on who?
On King Day.
Oh
Hey,
shit.
niggas finna die up here. Set.
Damn, they ain't made it up here yet.
Yeah,
That's one.
she definitely got into an accident.
Bro, I ain't
That
gonna hold
nigga
it.
left
Though.
after
But
her,
I ain't gonna hold it
ain't
though.
gonna lie.
I ain't gonna hold it though. I was pushing $1.80. I don't know how far we came.
Man,
So
bro,
a nigga
I
was riding now. We don't know how
Hell
far
yeah.
a nigga came.
Bro,
Nigga
we
was
went
pushing
all
that
the
motherfucker.
way from the gas, all the way
Hey,
from
you ain't see Red up
604.
there?
No, I ain't seen him.
Bro, we went all the way from the highway 602 all the
Damn,
way
that
here.
motherfucker look good, Dre, but shit, got here kind of last, motherfucker. What happened?
That motherfucker slow.
Man,
Looks only.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention on Twitter, so I went to the other gas station. Then I
Oh,
drove.
yeah. By the time you got there, we was out here.
Yeah, we was already here.
He said that motherfucker for looks only.
Come on, line. No,
Alright, now he opened that bitch up and that's your shit.
That shit over.
What you riding?
That green
So who
truck.
think they got the fastest one?
All we gotta do is block off the highway and line that
Nah,
shit
I
up.
ain't gonna talk shit. I know a nigga who shit out here running right now. I ain't even gonna say who.
Niggas ain't gonna make no bets.
Come on, we can go
I
to
bet
shut
on
the
his
highway
shit right
down,
now.
no cap.
Hey, I bet on his shit right now. I just gotta get the keys from. What's up? Who trying to bet?
Man,
Oh, okay.
He said, man.
I gotta find out what
Hey,
you
it's
ride
crazy though, cause the nigga who carried it is quiet as hell. I told you he don't know what he got. Bro.
Yeah.
I don't think niggas pulling up.
You don't think niggas pulling up? Shit, we can slide. It's enough. Shit, it's enough.
I'll give him like good 2 minutes.
Yeah, I give him about probably another 2 minutes.
Alright.
The fucking parents ain't how they cars, so we could've flicked up at the gas station.
Oh, alright, that's a bet. What you riding?
It's really on the
Thought you was on track on Sunday.
No, I'm in there. I was ahead. I was right.
Oh, okay.
He riding with somebody.
Yeah.
Man, what I told you, you gotta get money, nigga. You can't be out here looking like the broke homie all the time.
I don't care what it looks like.
But that nigga got the
You know what you ain't
As long as I know what it is.
That nigga said I just came out the house riding.
$8. Dang, you
Yeah,
walking
That shit
That shit go right here.
about damn time.
Well, damn. What happened?
Ain't nothing happened, nigga. You talking shit?
But you know how to drive. My ass.
Excuse me, I had to pick somebody up. You see how
Man, I don't want
flawless
to hear
this
that
bitch
shit.
look?
I
You
don't
see
want
how
to hear that
flawless it
shit.
look? Ain't no scratch on it.
Bro,
I
you
don't
know
want
she
to hear
went to
that
she went to the
bullshit.
mechanic shop at least twice.
I stopped at the
Kiki.
street
What up, Bando?
to put a kid on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's a good.
Man, yo,
What up,
slow
bro?
driving ass.
There goes somebody else pulling up.
Excuse me, I got this.
Yo, nah, you don't got this. You
Yo,
need to get in the car with me.
What up, babe?
You
yo,
want to drive it real quick?
That motherfucker
yo.
slow. I ain't driving shit slow.
This,
What's your name,
excuse
bro?
me, excuse me.
Pop
Have,
the
have
hood.
Bando, bro. Yeah.
disrespect.
Pop the hood.
You say
Okay.
your name, Bando?
Yeah,
Let me see
yeah.
what's up under this
Okay, okay,
motherfucker.
okay, for
Oh,
sure.
she got that shit under there.
Yeah, he
Lee.
been
Nah,
around.
I
You
don't, I don't think you the Bando.
You
I'm
heard
looking for
it. You
the.
heard it.
Her husband ain't getting it right. You know I'm
Nah,
gonna get
he
it
ain't
right.
been- Nah, he ain't right.
Nah.
Oh hell no!
What's up, buddy?
Pop the
Hold up.
hood on y'all.
Why your shit
Yeah,
not
that's-
supercharged?
Oh, she done
Oh,
popped
That's
the
a hell of
hood
it.
on y'all with the supercharger.
Yeah, you see.
Got that
Okay.
supercharger on top.
Yeah. Y'all gonna
Okay.
let her come
Okay.
harder than y'all?
Excuse me.
I
What?
thought
I
this
ain't hear
motherfucker-
nothing
This
now.
motherfucker was
What
giving
was that you
V8
saying?
vibes. You hear me?
Okay.
Hold
Okay,
on.
Nino.
Who
Hey,
called
That's
Nino.
names,
ST.
bro?
Me.
Hold
I
on.
just
She ain't
Okay.
gonna line that up,
You don't know
though.
how to
It's a
drive it
hater
though.
everywhere. It's a hater everywhere you go.
Yeah, I feel you.
Wow.
You should know better than that.
I just like this shit.
Yeah, we gonna get you something nice though. This ain't
Shit,
it.
Okay, well I'm waiting on
This ain't it.
it.
shit, we
I'm
can hit,
waiting on it.
y'all ready to hit 402?
Shit, we can.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go. They hit it then.
Yeah, yeah. Look
There
at
you go.
And don't go too far. We gotta take a picture.
Okay.
Clickbait the fuck out there, yeah. Where we at with it? These niggas just riding. My shit got dumb speed. That's what happened. Let it go, huh? Let's see. 402. Ooh, wait for the crash. Oh, oh shit. That's why I don't want them type of niggas behind me. Niggas, I'll drive. Look at that shit. Watch this. Got to fuck. Don't know how to drive, bro. That shit cut up. Uh-oh.
Hold on. You say what?
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, I can.
You fill this motherfucker up, boy. Low on gas. Oh no, we gonna have to fill up a couple times. Ooh, look, her shit ride. Topped off. What thing? What you talking about? Oh.
Oh shit.
Hey, Red.
Hmm.
How much repair kits you
Look at
got?
this motherfucker smacked up.
Excuse me, somebody ran into me.
Yeah, I hear you. It's always something.
Hold on, CEO. Let me see. Here, nigga.
Niggas asking for repair kits. Y'all letting them learn how to drive.
There, that's
Hey,
all
I
I
ain't
got.
even know. Good looks. Thank you.
Probably
Yeah.
later when you get ready.
Yeah, you like that. I know you liked it. What you in?
You see it. You hear me? Slimy. Yeah. Yeah, while you over here, come on. You might as well just, you feel me? Just come on, look.
You about to
Flick
race?
up real quick.
Is you about to race?
Probably not.
Oh, I knew you wasn't.
Come on, I need you to stand right here.
Right where?
Right on the side of me.
You want me to do a prop?
You feel me? Do
Hold
something.
on.
Don't sit here and look stupid.
Nigga, shut up. I don't know what to do. Tell me what to do, nigga.
Shit, I don't know. Bend over, do something.
Oh, excuse me. There you go, nigga. I got the cup. I don't know. I don't know what you want me to do.
Come on, gang. We about to slide. We're going 30-25.
Alright.
Y'all
Don't tell me when I need to leave. I'm doing something.
Push more locations than I know.
That sounds like a personal problem. Where you say we're going to?
30-25.
Alright. Get my room. Both of y'all. Bye. Go now.
Y'all niggas ready?
Oh, they just smack game. Niggas cannot drive. I see. I can do it. You think I'm finna be stuck in the house for y'all? No. Yeah. You got food? Where the hell these niggas go? These niggas burnt. Yeah, I'm already making a video. These niggas rolled on. Oh shit! Yeah, we gonna need a ride. This motherfucker done for. Total days. Oh shit! Damn, my shit total. Cuz fuck. Yo! Damn, he gonna keep going. Niggas bogus. Oh, niggas done total my car. Damn, these niggas finna hit me. I know somebody about to turn around and get me, cuz. Sad. Oh, look who it is coming to get me.
Nigga, you gonna have to get in the trunk.
Yeah, hell yeah. Let me
What
get
the
in the
hell
trunk.
happened?
Somebody smacked my shit.
Yeah,
I got a
niggas-
repair kit.
Nah, that motherfucker total days.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, it look like your shit smacked up too.
Yeah, nigga, but you know, I'm here though.
So your shit ain't total, huh?
I just gave you some repair kits.
Damn, this some bullshit. Every time it's me though. Gotta lose a fucking car.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
I gotta fix this bitch.
I appreciate the ride. Fuck these niggas up, guys. Damn, you ran all over the little damn thing. Hey man, y'all see what the fuck going on? Me clowning other motherfuckers talking about they can't drive and total my shit. Hey gang!
Hey, oh yeah, I was looking for you.
Man, they totaled that motherfucker.
Damn, fool. That nigga say he totaled that motherfucker. Hold on, I gotta open it up.
Yeah, Miss Red and them had
Alright,
to pick
get
me up.
But that nigga snipes up.
Hey, Reese,
I don't
who
need
the
that
hell spun you
motherfucker
out,
juking,
gang?
though. Yeah,
You
I
say
seen
what?
him smack your
Nah,
shit.
man. So what happened? Nah. First thing, y'all kept going straight. The GPS was telling me to get off on the exit, so I got off and I hit some shit, spun out, and then the nigga hit me, and then that shit just a whole bunch of crazy shit.
I seen your ass spinning out in the dirt and shit. I thought somebody hit you.
Y'all
But
see
shit,
the challenge?
we finna what we finna do is we finna have a whole we finna have
She told us was out the first one. I know that's right. I know that's right.
But shit, what we finna do is we finna have a race all the way down back to the pier. We can go the same way we came back.
All right, say less.
Take me to the crib.
So yeah, that's gonna be all the way back to 611.
All right.
My damn leg all fucked up.
You gotta let everybody else know.
This nigga done totaled the wheels.
Oh my god, you always totaling something.
Man, I just said it's always me, cuz.
Hey CEO.
In the house.
Hey CEO.
What's good? Nope.
Everybody got that?
What's up, nigga?
Your shit right drive?
Say what again?
Your shit drive on the right side?
Say it again.
That shit extra road.
These niggas, boy.
Hold up, this was you on the side of me. I was in a Navy shirt, nigga kept on trying to tap my shit, bro.
This nigga got his head out the window and shit.
Country shit. Nigga, don't lose.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
Y'all see what the fuck going on. We finna race back to the pier.
Oh, them niggas are wrecked.
Get up on y'all with the next one.
Man, we got 5